Surprise Chef was an Australian cooking television show that was broadcast on the 7 network from 2001 to 2003. It was repeated on 7 HD. The show revolved around the chef Aristos Papandroulakis, who would surprise an unwitting Coles supermarket shopper with an offer to cook dinner for them in their own home. If taken up on the offer, Papandroulakis then set himself to cook a filling meal using only the ingredients available to him from their pantry, fridge or what groceries they had bought. He also set himself a challenging ingredient. In one episode this involved using a bottle of Coca-Cola as our marinade. In bookending segments, Papandroulakis was also joined by co-presenters Herbie, Hemphill and Flip Shelton, who gave tips on food preparation and meal ideas. Later, Duncan Powell, John Fitzgerald and Ben Canaider joined the cast, giving advice on choosing wines, while Cindy Sargon replaced Shelton in 2003. See also: Take Home Chef, a similar American series. External links: Surprise Chef at the National Film and Sound Archive. Surprise Chef on IMDb.